Hello friends, welcome to our channel Dr. Scott. Today's our new topic is on cerebral motor cortex part 2. So if you didn't see our first video, then go and see our first video. So let's begin with the second part with the rubro-spinal tract. Rubro-spinal tract. Look at this name, and if we split this name into two parts, rubro and spinal. Rubro means red nucleus of midbrain. Spinal, of course, spinal cord. So from red nucleus, these fibers go to the spinal cord to act on the muscles. Okay, so here we will draw a diagram. What is this? Cerebrum. Okay, then this is midbrain. Okay, this is pons, medulla. This one is medulla, and here I will draw a spinal cord. So this is a gray matter of spinal cord. Okay, and this is a central canal. Okay, and here we will draw a cerebellum. Okay, so red nucleus are found in midbrain. So this is our midbrain, and here I draw a red nucleus. Okay, to the spinal cord. These fibers cross here and go directly to the lateral white column to the anterior horn, like this. Here will we go from lateral white column to the anterior horn. Okay, so here we will have muscle. So fibers from, there will be two fibers, alpha and gamma. Okay, so these two fibers will stimulate the muscles like this. So we get to know from red nucleus to the spinal cord we have a tract known as rubro-spinal tract. Okay, but actually to the red nucleus, which fibers are activating the red nucleus for excitation of the red nucleus fiber or inhibition of red nucleus fiber? So these fibers come from the cortex, which is known as cortico-rubro fibers. Here we have the cortico-rubro fibers. So first we see cortico-rubro fibers. Here also we will split these fibers into two parts, cortico and rubro. Rubro means as usual red nucleus, and cortico means cortex, cerebral cortex. Okay, so this fiber coming from the cerebral cortex and stimulate the red nucleus like this. And stimulate the red nucleus. So these fibers are known as cortico-rubro fibers. So let's begin one again. From cortico-rubro fibers from the cerebral cortex, this fiber comes downwards to the red nucleus. Here I will write a name, red nucleus. From red nucleus it goes directly to the spinal cord on the anterior horn side, and from the anterior horn they will transfer to the muscles. Okay, so this is whole rubrospinal tract. What is the function? Which muscles it stimulates? So flexor muscles of upper limb. Flexor muscle of upper limb only. Okay, so this is all about the rubrospinal tract. Now we will see the another tract which is known as PONTO-RETICULO spinal tract. Here we will divide this name into three parts. Yes, into three parts. So the first, ponto, second, reticular, and third, spinal. Okay, so this name will be divided into three parts. Ponto means pons nuclei. So nucleus of pons is known as pontine. Reticular is a reticular formation, and spinal, as usual, spinal cord. So here I will draw, and one another thing is that this tract is known as medial reticulo-spinal tract also. Okay, so this tract is also known as medial reticulo-spinal tract. So we will draw a diagram. Here we have the cerebrum, midbrain, right? Here we will draw pons medulla. Beside there will be a cerebellum. Okay, and here we will draw spinal cord. Okay, central canal, and we have here our muscle. Okay, so here we have a nucleus known as pontine nucleus, and this will be the reticular formation of the gray matter, right? Now from pons nucleus to the reticular formation to the spinal cord, right? So the flow will like this: from pons nuclei to the reticular formation. Here will be the reticular formation, so it comes like this and goes to the spinal cord. Same page, from anterior white column to the anterior horn. Okay, anterior white column to the anterior horn. We have here similar GABA and alpha, and here it stimulates the muscles like this. The most important thing is that it is found till cervical segment only. So important thing is that it is found in cervical segment only. So here we see the descending tracts of the PONTO-RETICULO spinal tract. But which fiber stimulates this area? Like everyone knows that there is some stimulating fibers which stimulates this whole area. So you know that is a ascending tract here. It stimulates the reticular formation. and pons nuclei, both like this, and it goes to the spinal by ponto-reticular spinal tract. Okay, so what is this reticular formation? Okay, this is ascending fibers which stimulate, and here one most important thing you can see, it is uncrossed fiber, uncrossed fibers, so no crossing will be held in this tract. Okay, so function of these fibers, function is activating extensor muscles. So the function is activating the extensor muscle. So here is today's topic is complete. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and wait for the third part. Third part will become soon of the different track from cerebral to the spinal. And please share this video and be safe. As you can see, the coronavirus is spreading everywhere, so be safe.